Hyundai Motor India Limited Q3 and 9 a.m. Financial year 26 financial result. Q3 EBI TDA at NR 20,183, MM plus 7.6% YOY, and PAT at NR 12,344 MM plus 6.3% YOY. 9 a.m. EPI TDS stood at NR 66,325, MN plus 3.3% YOY. Margin expanded to 12%. Gurugram, February 2, 2026, the Board of Directors of Hyundai Motor India Limited today approved the unaudited financial result, standalone and consolidated for the third quarter of 9 months of financial year 2025-26. Highlight: GST 2.0 and a festive timing supported domestic demand wholesale volume of 5% QOQ and coupled with robust retail volumes and the reaffirming leadership CRED and reclaims it is positioned the number one SUV sold in India and achieving highest ever annual sale of 2 lakhs unit plus CY 2025. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो फाइनेंशियल स्नैपशॉट कंसोलिडेटेड रेवेन्यू quarterly Q3 26 1,79,735 or 1,74,608 1,66,480 9 month 5,18,472 or 5,12,526 EBI TDA and 20,183 24,289 18,755 66,325 or 64,211 EBI TDA 11.2% or 26 13.9% 11.3% 12.8% 12.5% paid 12,344 and quarterly Q2 financial year 15,723 11,607 41,759 40,259